What up everyone, doing eBay box break 129, 11-12, SP Game Used. Here's your last team auctioned off. Okay, let's see what we got here. Good luck to everyone. Here's your serial number. Triple deuces. Alright. Got a rookie for the Blue Jackets, David Savard out of 699. And jersey for the Blackhawks, Duncan Keith. Base. We got a rookie for the Panthers, Scott Timmins out of 699. And for the Leafs, we got significant numbers, 41 out of 81, Ryan Kessel. Phil Kessel. Base. Rookie for the Islanders, Mark Caddick out of 699. And for the Vancouver Canucks, no, that would be Buffalo Sabres, sorry. Cody Hodgson jersey. That's Team Canada, so goes to the current team that they're on. And base. Rookie for the Blackhawks, 699, Brandon Saad. And gold base for the Rangers out of 100, Gabrick. And jersey for the Sharks, Antti Niemi. We got rookie for the Stars, Thomas Vincour out of 699. And for the San Jose Sharks jersey, Patrick Marleau. This Team Canada jersey's coming out of the ass tonight. And base. And rookie for the Senators, David Rundblad out of 699. We got a dual jersey for the Canadians, Larry Robinson, PK Subban, numbered 57 out of 100. And that's all she wrote. Thanks everyone for joining. See you next time.